Roughlight is a super robust and durable 700 lumen headlamp for professionals. The design is dust tight and fully waterproof. The clever mag-snap system lets you detach the lamp easily from the headband and snap it into the included helmet mount or on a metal surface. It has an integrated rechargeable battery. The wide headband provides a comfortable fit. It has silicone on the inside to prevent it from slipping, and smooth buckles for easy adjustment. Roughlight has a light output of 700 lumens and features Silva Intelligent Light that combines a long-reach spotlight with a close floodlight. It's tiltable 90 degrees. It has two LEDs that operate together to create optimal light for different conditions. It has a large power button that is easy to operate with one hand even when wearing gloves. The lamp has 4 light modes. A short press starts the lamp in mean mode. The mean mode is good for reading and saving batteries. Then you enter medium-low mode that is suitable for close range work. And then medium-high mode for medium range work. And finally max mode for long range work. When toggling into max mode, the lamp will flash shortly. This is a visual indication to let you know which mode you are in. This is helpful to prevent unnecessary button presses. Turn off with a long press. When switching the lamp off, the 4 LEDs on the side indicate the battery status. It also has a red light mode that preserves your night vision. It is accessed by a long press of the power button from off mode. You can then toggle between red and orange light with short presses on the power button. The orange light enables better map reading. Turn off with a long press. Roughlight has a lock function to prevent the lamp from starting by accident. From off mode, hold the power button for 3 seconds until the blinking LED turns constant red. Now it can't be operated. To unlock, simply hold the button until the flashing red LED turns constant green. Now the lamp can be operated as usual. The temperature of the lamp body will increase during use, and cooling is an essential part of how well the lamp performs. Roughlight is equipped with an efficient cooler that passes right through the lamp body and lets cool air pass through. The cooler is efficient both when in motion and when standing still. Roughlight has a built-in rechargeable battery that is charged with USB-C. The charging port is located here. Use the included charging cable. The charging status is indicated by 4 LEDs. The charging port, as well as the whole lamp, is of course fully waterproof and dust tight and meets the IP68 standard. The lamp body is reinforced with rubber for increased shock resistance and durability. This means you can be out in really bad conditions without the risk of damaging the gear. Both the lamp unit and the included helmet mount has a magnetic surface that enables easy mounting and switching between headband and helmet. To detach, slide the lamp upwards and out of the bracket. Then just place it on the bracket and let the magnet lock it in place. Make sure you hear a click. The magnetic surface on the lamp also lets you snap the lamp directly onto metal surfaces. The helmet mount is attached to the helmet with adhesive tape and fits most helmets without a visor. If the helmet has a visor, this mag-snap Z mount can be bought as a supplement. The Z mount lets the visor pass under the lamp. Here on the back side you find the QR code, which leads to more information about the product on the web. So, if you need a durable, waterproof, dust-tight and rechargeable headlamp with a lot of light and a helmet mount, a professional lamp for professional conditions, Roughlight is the lamp for you. SILVA PRO offers a wide range of durable, smart and trustworthy equipment you can rely on in any project at any location.